Backflow Direct has made the process for requesting and ordering a spool piece for replacing existing backflow preventers more efficient than ever. Use the form on our spool page to enter the following information: your name, phone number, email address, the overall length of the assembly being replaced, size of the assembly, and model. Once complete, the form will be sent to our sales department for quotation and drafting. To obtain the overall length of the assembly being replaced for the spool piece, measure from the outside of the upstream flange to the outside of the downstream flange. When a request for a spool piece is received, our sales department takes the information from the spool form and produces a price quote as well as a print. The print has a graphic showing the size and model of the derringer, the spool attached, and provides the option of adding a flange adapter to connect to an inlet or outlet flange pipe connection, and a coupler to join the grooved up or downstream shutoff valve to the grooved end of the spool piece. Once the print is complete, it is then sent to the email address provided for review. If the flange adapter and/or the grooved coupler is to be removed from the print, the price quote will be adjusted to reflect those changes and will be resent to the email provided. The order will begin processing once a signed copy has been returned to the sales department and a lead time will be provided. All spools are manufactured in-house and are made of 304 stainless steel. The process begins by cutting the spool to the length provided on the approved print. The spools are then grooved to the industry standard. A flange is then welded to the spool to match the existing pipe connection. The derringer is the shortest and lightest valve in the industry, making it the perfect choice for retrofit installations. If the connection to the pipe where the spool piece will be attached is not flanged, call us at 916-760-4524.